Good morning, students. Today we see about the domestic electric current, electric circuit. Okay, so we receive our electric power in our homes from the main lines of a electric supply. Okay, so the SI unit for the electric power is what? Watts. Okay, so the electric current, the electric power we get from where? From the main lines of a electric supply. So in our houses and the side by road there are poles are there, kambana. So the wire lines are there, through that and electricity comes to our house. Okay, so by means of three wired electric cable, by three wires electric current comes to our house. The three wires of a cable are coded. So three colors mostly they use it for the supply of the electricity in the houses. Each wire has its own meaning. Okay, so for example, red is for the live current. Red is for the live current means color red only brings the electricity from the main box to the house, from the poles to the house. Okay, and the next one, blue or black for the neutral phase, and green wire is for earth. So green wire also they give connection to the earth, ground earth. Okay, so why should give the connection to the earth also? Because the higher voltage if is there, extra electricity, so without damaging our appliances it goes back to the green wire, so it saves us somewhat. Okay, so here as we see in the plug, so for example current wire, so this is in which color? Red color. Okay, and then this neutral wire, it is the black or blue color. Okay, it is our black or blue color, and this one is in the green color. The wire which connected to the earth is which color it is? It is the green color. Okay, so for example when we see this wire, current wire, red wire, we call it as what? It is for the live current. Okay, so this is the red wire and this is the red wire and this is red wire. Okay, and the next one, blue or black for the neutral phase. So this wire we call it as a neutral wire. So connecting like this, it is the neutral wire. Okay, then another one we see here. Okay, this is the neutral wire and this is the red, and next one is the green color from earth. Okay, so it connected to this one. So when we see here now, for example, current wire brings the electric supply from the pole, from the main to our house, and neutral wire is in the black or blue color. Okay, so when we keep the plug in the house, there are three holes are there. Okay, for one hole red color wire is connected, for another hole blue color wire is connected, and for the third hole will be big, third hole will be big in the plug. This third hole is connected to the green wire. So green wire is connected to the earth. Understand? So the plug point, down are two small ones, on top is the big hole is there. Okay, so current wire brings the current to the house and neutral wire takes back the current to the pole, to the main box. Okay, so there will be continuous cycle will be taking place. This continuous taking cycle is called as a frequency. Okay, so current wire, it brings the current, and the next one it takes back again the current. So this cycle will be continuing. So brings and then again takes back. Okay, so this is called as a frequency, bringing and taking back again to the pole. Okay, so this cycle will take place continuously. So these are the wires. And the next one, and green wire is for earth. In our country, the potential difference between the current, okay, live wire and neutral wire is 220 volts. The potential difference means what? The force of current between the two wires is how much volts? 220 volts. Important, underline this point, all these points, okay. So between the current wire, red wire and the black wire, what is the difference? It is the 220 volts, okay. So the earth wire is of thick copper and the end of it is joined to a copper plate which is buried deeply underground. The earth wire is in the green color. It is connected to the copper plate in the ground, okay. So, and it is then joined to the main switch through the electric meter. Afterwards it joined to the main switch. So this earth current, the green wire which is connected to the earth in the big houses and in the schools association, then afterwards what in the industries, should give to the current connection to the earth, understand. So it will save us from the high voltages and everything, extra current. So it will not allow to waste the current. The live current wire and the neutral wire coming from the electric supply pole. Live current wire is in which color? Red color. Neutral wire is in which color? Black or blue color. These two color wires are coming from the from the pole to the our house, okay, are first attached to a stationary box housing the electric meter. So main box is there, the two wires are connected. And next one, the whole circuit is protected from current overload or short circuit by using fuses combined in a series, okay. So the fuse is connected in the main box. So what is the use of the fuse? If the electric supply is more, means the fuse automatically cut off, so that it will not damage the all electric appliances in our house. Electric appliances means what? Like fans, bulb or TV, all these things are the electric appliances. So these electric appliances will not be damaged by using the fuse. Fuse will not allow the high over voltage to flow. When the high voltage comes to our house from the pole, from the power station, automatically fuse will cut off, so that electric current will not go supply to all the things. So electric fuse will save our house electric appliances, okay. So and fuse is connected in a series level. Series means you know na, so connecting like this in a same line is called as a series. So in the series, same electric current will flow. If one is cut off, means electric current flow will be stopping. But in the parallel level, when we attach in the parallel level, current supply, if this wire cut off also, these two will be working. If it is not working also, okay. So in our house, in the switches, in the switch box, everything is arranged in a parallel level, not in a series level, okay. Only the fuse is arranged in a series level. But here it is arranged in a parallel level, so that if one thing is cut off also, other two will work, okay. Now you see, this don't have the connection, but connection is coming like this from here. So this arrangement is called as a parallel, or like this arrangement is called as a parallel, so that one cut off also, another will be working, okay. So this is the one. Next one, so the current wire, red color wire, has the higher potential, okay. So there are charges are there na, positive and negative charges. Higher potential has the positive charge and lower potential has the negative charge. So here when we see, the whole circuit is protected from current overload. Overload means higher voltage, or short circuit by using fuses combined in a series. If the leave current wire and neutral wire get accidentally combined, then the resistance of the circuit becomes null. Null means 0. Okay. So when the potential leave current red wire is connected to the neutral wire black wire, red wire has the higher potential and blacker wire has a lower potential. When both are accidentally, that means unknowingly, when the heavy wind is there and the electric poles are broken, that time when the heavy wind is there, when the wires are shaking, when the two wires are, when the electric red wire and the black wire, when they come to contact with each other, immediately fires will come, big flames will come, fire. So it will be destroying because of the higher potential, higher voltage. When this leave current wire coming connected to the black wire, what happens means resistance will become 0. Resistance means what? Stopping the flow of higher current, na? So resistance will become 0. So that higher current will be passing. When the higher voltage, higher current passes us, so automatically we can see the flames. Okay, it is coming. So this leads to damage of electric appliances in the circuit and can produce sparking and lead to fire. Fuse is a wire made of any metal or metal alloy which has a particular melting point. For example, aluminium, copper, iron, lead, etc. Are used for the fuse. Okay. If the current flowing in the circuit exceeds a particular value, okay, if the higher current flows means immediately fuse wire heats up and it melts, so that electric current will not pass to other electrical appliances and they are safe.